Skip back 42 seconds. 7 minutes. Skip back 52 seconds. 6 minutes. 50.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, so this button right here, you know what this button is? This button looks like a late 2007 crosswalk button here too. Well, it looks like.
Wait. Traveling south.
Watch your language. You don't. Why would you yell at me? All right.
Wait.
Oh yeah, there's another one over here as well.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait.
Yeah, all the crosswalks are traveling south. Let's do this crosswalk button over there.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, I'm gonna hit the button now.
Wait. Traveling.
Yeah, okay, this one's really quick.
Wait. 10.
Alright, y'all, that's it.
Wait.
Play next video. Button. More videos. My crosswalk button experience in Broadway Avenue and Main Street. Leo Fulfilized New 2.0. New. 24 views 4 hours ago. 5 minute. My crosswalk button experience in Broadway Avenue and Main Street. Leo Fulfilized New 2.0. New. 8 views 4 hours ago. 5 minutes. 52 seconds. 2 of 3. Lies that will destroy. Breaking. My crosswalk button experience in Douglas Avenue and Main Street. Leo Fulfilized New 2.0. New. 8 views 5 hours ago. 2 minute.
Here at Douglas Avenue and Main Street. Let's do this.
Wait. Traveling east.
Oh yeah, there's another button over here as well. Yeah, so I'm traveling east here.
Traveling east. Wait. Walk sign is on.
I heard like the
Walk sign. Wait, it's on. Wait. Traveling east.
yeah the speakers kind of popped out on there. We're gonna wait until the walk sign turns on, and then we're out of here. Main Street first, and then Douglas.
Wait. Traveling. Wait, east.
Yeah, that speaker's kind of popped down on that one. How strange.
Wait. Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on. This one right here looks like an LED pedestrian sign.
9. Wait. Traveling north. 5, 4.
All right, north. North it is.